Hey guys, it's guys Redneck, and we'll be doing some grizzly wintergreen, premium wintergreen. Y'all can see that or not. There you go. But yeah, I did crack it. I promise you, I did not take a pinch. I figured it would y'all to get the first pinch out of this. I did get 2 cans, and I already dipped. Hadn't dipped the one yet, but this is the first one I've gotten. So I'm gonna crack it. So I figured I'd wait for y'all. And I did finish up that the dip I did last week. Or I just picked up the grizzly only because I did it before on my channels, and figured why not get it on this channel too. So, but then again, there's some things that I gotta do for y'all. Oh well. Alright. It says on the back of these things here, you know, you got the writing there. It's something about freaking frog raising resort. I joined the course at grizzlies.com, which I don't really care. I'm over to Copenhagen. Once you wanna get nasty with your tobacco or do something wrong with your tobacco, so whatever. But yeah, this here I think this may be a little bit too big for me talking, but I just want to take a little bit out. But that would be my everyday pinch, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Crap. That's big enough for right now, just for the video. And then eventually, in the end of the video, I will put a little bit more in. Right, here we go. Alright. So, I did move out of my mom's. I was only with my mom for a good minute, but that was only because I was trying to get on my feet and everything. So, now that I'm on my feet and everything, I figured y'all would want to see the running place and everything. So, figured I get that done. But one, I have not got everything put away. I just moved in not so long ago. And if I get that done, I will be making more videos for y'all. I'll be home more often. I'll have more time for y'all. So, yeah. My drink of the day is the Backwoods, once again. And you can get those at myjet.com. I'll leave a link in the description there. If you want one, you'll get you one. I do not have a code yet. I would have to call them and make sure I can get a code. But I ain't gonna do that until I get enough subs up, and then we go from there. Because I don't know. I don't think they would do it unless I got a certain amount of subs up or whatever. And yeah, so. But for y'all, I haven't had a drink before I made a video. So yeah, I believe y'all are seeing this on Wednesday. But alright, so I'm gonna take you around and everything, but I've got my table set my TV stand that matter because it's technically a cocktail, but it's a bit better than nothing. But I'm gonna get my phone up. I record that, or I'm recording on the phone here, and we'll get some shit done. But I mean, yeah. Alright, let's get her done. And yeah, see there. Over here first. Alright, got this one here for the dog. And I got the bathroom there. So that's the bathroom there. And then yeah, so I figured so yeah, I guess that's the end of the day. I'm guessing it gets close. And there's a freaking sea everything in Georgia. So and then here's my dog there. Alright, there y'all go. And I got some bed in there. Yeah. And that's a drawer and everything else in there, and then so that's pretty much it. And then this here, and then that's about it there. That's all I got for the house, or the housing wise. Yeah, my house is smaller, but I mean at least it's better than nothing. But if y'all want to see me on PS4, I'll put that down below also. And I'm gonna have to get my PSN account back up and running again here shortly. But if y'all want to see some more stuff like this, because I can do that. I mean, I plan on making some more. There are some of y'all I talk to personally, and y'all know what's gonna be going on or whatever, but some of y'all don't. So Alright, so y'all, I got some stuff to talk about. If y'all want me to do some chew, I can do that. Let me know. I can do all sorts of smokeless tobacco. Repping that Copenhagen. I'm also repping that Chevy. And generic camera on the back of it. See, watch there. I believe it's a generic version of Realtor, I guess is what you would call it. But I don't know what y'all want to see anymore, because it's just I don't have any ideas. Y'all don't give me any ideas of what I should do or what not to do. I get that I should be talking louder than I should, and like talk more clear basically. But with like a dipping, it's I mean for me it's hard. But I mean dip as much. Like I'm trying to stop. I ain't really trying to stop dipping. I'm just trying to get like dip less so I got more, so I can last longer. I guess you can put it. But if y'all want to see how to clean your mud jig out, I can do that one also. But just some ideas. I mean, I got some ideas as of now, but just for like future wise, so that y'all know that I am still alive and I'm always gonna be making videos. The last video was just all a joke. I mean, yeah, I was thinking about quitting, but then I'm like, nah, I can't do that. So my way of thinking, it's just all a joke. And y'all might not think that it was honestly just a joke and everything. So we all do just not taking anything serious from my channel. I know I'm gonna get some hate here and there. There was a video made on one of my other channels. I had got hate. All I was doing is just gonna build me up. So y'all can hate, y'all can love me. I don't care. Just remember, always hit that oh fuck. Hit that sub up button. Always remember to hit the like button. If you haven't hit it, punch that some bitch, and you guys will get notified every time I upload a video. And another thing, as I was wanting to know, what do y'all want? What should I call y'all as my fan base of whatnot. Because I mean, if y'all want to add me, let me know, or just comment below what y'all want me to call y'all. Because like I have been thinking and thinking, I just can't think of nothing really, to be honest. So, In fact, don't do that, because I believe I'm gonna call y'all my bucks and does, because I'm Guys Redneck, and why don't y'all just keep it redneck. I'm out. See y'all in the next video or two or whatever, and yeah, just always remember, just keep it redneck, and whatever it is, make sure it's redneck, and always have a dip in. I'm out.